कितना सुंदर है। ये देखो सन, ये सन कैट मरकरी। उसके बाद वेनस। अगर आप किसी प्लैनेट के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो चलो हम पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं मरकरी से। तो मरकरी एक पढ़ सकते हो इसका। द क्रस्ट इज सिमिलर इज एन appearance to that of the moon with mirror-like planes and heavy cratering. A distinctive features of the surface crust is the presence of numerous narrow rifts, which might have formed as Mercury's core and mantle cool on the contract after the crust and modify और ऊपर से core में Mercury's extreme high density infers that the planet has a large iron rich core with higher iron content that of any of other major planets in the solar system. Crust surface of silicate rock. Mercury से बारे में जान सकते हो Mercury से बारे में। अब चलो और स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं। अब हम जानेंगे वेनस के बारे में। एक आगे वेनस। ये है वेनस। Currently, we have little direct information about the internal structure of Venus. However, its similar sizes and density to Earth suggests that they share a common internal structure. The principal difference between the two planets is the lack of the planet tectonics on Venus, likely due to the dry surface and mantle. This result is reduced heat loss from the planet, preventing it from the cooling and providing a likely explanation for its lack of an internal generated magnetic field. Instead, Venus may lose its eternal heat in period major refreshing events. Crust, solid silicate rock, mostly based. Mantle, solid silicate rock. Outer, liquid iron and nickel. Inner core, defense, solid iron and nickel. अब यहाँ से पढ़ सकते हैं वेनस के बारे में। चलो अब हम चलते हैं दूसरे प्लैनेट पर। हम लेते अर्थ के बारे में, हमारे अर्थ के बारे में। ये है हमारा अर्थ के बारे में तो आप जानते ही हो, फिर भी उसका स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ते हैं। अर्थ क्रस्ट टुगेदर विद द uppermost parts of the mantle from the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into a series of tectonic planets which float on a more elastic part of the upper mantle. The motion of these planets gives rise to the earthquake and volcanism mantle. The earth mantle is a rocky shell which accounts for 84% of the planet's volume. The very uppermost regions of the mantle are the most solid or healthy rigid. पढ़ सकते हैं यहाँ से। Outer core, the temperature difference within outer core drives convection currents with hot liquid metals rising, cooling and then descending back towards the hot inner core. These conversion currents power an Earth's magnetic field. Inner core. Although the temperature in the inner core is thought to be about the same as the surface of the sun, the extreme pressure prevents it from becoming liquid. Crust, solid silicate rock, mostly basalt. Mantle, solid silicate rock. Outer core, liquid iron and nickel. Inner core, defense, solid iron nickel. हम दूसरे प्लैनेट पर चलते हैं। दूसरा होगा मार्स। आस्ते मार्स। दूसरा होगा मार्स। The structure crust is rich in silicon, oxygen, iron, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, and potassium, of all which could be used in the development of the future human outpost in Mars. Mantle, silicon mantle was once very active, giving rise to many of the planet's distinctive surface features, but which now appears to be dormant. Core, like Earth, Mars has been undergone diffusion, resulting in a dead core, primarily comprising iron and nickel, but with around 70% sulfur, which renders the core practically liquid. मुझे प्रोनाउंस करने में थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है, पर फिर भी आप समझ जाएंगे, क्योंकि अब यहाँ से स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. क्रस्ट, आयरन रिच ब्लास्टिक रॉक. मेंटल, सॉलिड सिलिकेट रॉक. कोर पैर्टियली लाइक लिक्विड आयरन, निकल एंड सल्फर. अब हम जाएंगे दूसरे प्लैनेट पर. वो है जुपिटर. तो हम जुपिटर के बारे में जानेंगे. स्ट्रक्चर जुपिटर इज composed primarily of gases and liquid matter. There is no surface, only a gradual change from the atmosphere. Conditions blend smoothly from gas to liquid as the temperature and pressure inside Jupiter increase steadily towards the core. Mantle, the surrounding liquid hydrogen is responsible for Jupiter's massive majestic field, which is 10 times stronger than Earth, with the majestic pole strength being nearly 20,000 times stronger than Earth's pole strength. Core, Jupiter is thought of have a dense core. The exact composition of the core is unknown, as are the properties of material at the temperature and pressure of those places, but is thought to be solid. आओ जाएंगे दूसरे प्लैनेट पर. नेपच्यून. नेपच्यून को देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे. Saturn is the interior is similar to Jupiter's, contrary to Jupiter. Saturn density is lower, maker is a less dense part in the solar system. Combined with its rapid rotation, Saturn became the most oblate planet in our solar system. Its equatorial and polar diameters vary by almost 10%. Atmosphere. Due to its lower gravity, Saturn's atmosphere has more haze than Jupiter's, with blurred features and colors muted into a general yellowish hue. The winds on Saturn are 5 times as fast those measured on Jupiter. Saturn radiates 2.5 times more heat than it receives from the Sun, possibly due to the raining out of helium deep into its interior, creating practical sheet of the helium descends toward the lower of the recent rain. अब ये भी पढ़ सकते हैं, मैं नहीं पढ़ा. स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर अब आ जाएंगे यूरेनस पर. यूरेनस को देख ही सकते हैं, ये सबसे ठंडा प्लैनेट है. स्ट्रक्चर, यूरेनस का स्ट्रक्चर है. यूरेनस sun color is due to absorption of red light by atmosphere methane. Atmosphere, the gaseous atmosphere gradually transfers into the eternal liquid layers. Mantle, the ice mantle is not fact composed of ice in the conventional sense, but of a lot hot and dense fluid, also called a water ammonia. हम लास्ट प्लैनेट पर जाएंगे. नेपच्यून में नेपच्यून को कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं लिखी, छोड़िए. हम नेपच्यून को देख सकते हैं. यहाँ नेपच्यून वैसे मैं जानता है तो नेपच्यून के तापमान 214 डिग्री सेल्सियस है और सबसे दूर का ग्रह है. ये देखिए नेपच्यून. चलिए, वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दिया, सब्सक्राइब कर दिया. मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ऐसे ऑल वीडियोस बारे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए आपको कैसी वीडियोस चाहिए.